Alright, emergency repair. We got a flapper valve that deteriorated. That's a corky, and I usually use the corky. This happened before, so I already know what it is. One of the arms on that side deteriorated, so I'm going to try to do a temporary fix with a zip tie to try to get them through before I can go to Lowe's tomorrow and get a new one. Okay, so I tried this once and it worked. It might not work on this one because it's so deteriorated. So I'm going to snip off the end of that zip tie there, and so it doesn't get caught on the float bowl there. And I like to use nail clippers for zip ties because it's easy to get into those tight to reach places or hard to reach places versus scissors. Sometimes scissors can't get in, so nail cutters or clippers. Let's see if it works. Alright, so moment of truth. Let me turn on the valve. I turned it off so I wasn't wasting water. And it doesn't have to be on all the way. The quarter turn valves are pretty cool too, if you don't know about them. So if you're changing your valves, quarter turn is the way to go. There's a zip side I snipped off just so it didn't interfere with the football arm. This is all in real time, no editing, just so you know if it works or not. I'll speed it up if it takes too long. But no edits. No edits. Sorry if it's boring, but no edits. If I edit it, you wouldn't hear it anyway, so it doesn't matter. Sounds like it's about to turn off. That water level is a little high. I probably got to change that flush valve there, which I recommend Fluid Master. That's my go-to now. This valve does not turn off at all. Look at that. It just keeps going. Probably gotta do a little bit of adjustment. Anyways, let's check this flapper, see if it works. I have to do a double flush there. A lot of water. So other than the water level not being correct, I think it's gonna seal and be okay for now, or until tomorrow. Hopefully tomorrow's New Year's. Hopefully I can get a flapper valve. Thanks for watching.